for tuning in to this video. As you can see, my hair is absolutely glamorous and I feel that way just by rocking this style. If you all are interested in how I did it, please stay tuned and keep watching. I do want to let you know that I do have type 4 hair, so it is kinky, coily, whatever you want to call it, but I was able to get my hair super sleek and get it to go into this nice sleek ponytail. And yeah, isn't it so cute? I got the whole ombre thing going on. It's so long, it's 30 inches. I freaking love it. But again, thank you all for tuning in and keep watching. Alright, so for the Genie ponytail, we're going to be doing this on blow dried hair. I used my Revere hair dryer and I just blew out my hair. First off, I'll take this ponytail down. Take it in here. First, we're going to do the top, and I want this Genie ponytail to be pretty high, probably about like right here. So that's how we're gonna work this. Let's go. So brush that up. Now that we got that done, we're going to take the edge wax and just kind of go through, applying it. Using edge wax makes it super sleek. It's not even super secured, but it's pretty sleek as it is just by putting the edge wax on there. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start working on the back and add in hair to this ponytail. With the edge wax is just getting it around the perimeter of my hair. Putting edge wax on the rest of my hair basically. As you can see, I put it a little farther back than I actually even wanted, just because I'm about to add one more thing, which is the gel and my edge tape. Comes out is what I'm using. I'm not really the type to go through looking for some that ain't there, or trying to add some that ain't there. I just use whatever comes out. Whatever pops on out is what we're gonna use. Okay? Now, edge tamer. And we're about to play with these edges and I'm gonna just do it however I feel like doing it. I don't even know, I kind of switch it up sometimes. This edge tamer works so good, it like nearly like glues it to your freaking face. Last thing is just to put a little bit of gel. I'm using protein gel because my hair has been in braids for the past month and a half. So yeah, and I did, you know, a little bit of moisturizing and all that stuff, deep conditioning before I dried my hair. But we're about there, so I'm gonna loosen up this ponytail so I can get it to come up a little higher. Take this so I can finally secure it completely. Brush it one more time. See how I want it. Boom, there we go. So sleek. How I like it. Okay, now that that's done, the last thing I'm gonna do before I kind of wrap it up to set it is I'm going to add some Got To Be glue spray. So the next thing you're going to do is wrap your ponytail with the wrapping strips. Now, if you don't want to wrap your ponytail and you don't want to use glue, then you can proceed by just going ahead and bobby pinning the hair here and then wrapping it and bobby pinning at the bottom. And that's how you can do it. But I actually want to glue this on so that, you know, it's just really secure. And that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to cover my hair. To start gluing and wrapping, gluing and wrapping, gluing and wrapping, gluing and wrapping. You get it? That's how we're gonna do this. So let me go ahead and add the first little bit of glue. And just a tiny little bit at the top, like that. Then I'm going to start wrapping. can see, I'm wrapping it pretty close together because we don't want any of that white to show. Keep picking up pieces and wrapping until I wrap my entire little bun here, as much as I have, however far I want it to go up, basically. Brush this hair out, and that'll be about where I stop it. Go ahead and take down the top and see what the outcome is. Now when I go to sleep tonight, I'm going to retie this like this and then lightly wrap my oh yes, this is flat. I can feel how flat it is. I'm going to basically wrap it up the same way I wrapped it. Indeed, girl, yes, look at that hairstyle. Came out lovely, yes, dressed to impress. Now it's late at night because I took my hair down today and spent my entire day basically prepping my hair after I took it out of those braids. So I'm gonna go to sleep, but tomorrow when I do my makeup and everything, I'll show y'all what it looks like with my face all done and all of that. But oh my god, other than that, it's so freaking cute, like OMG. And it's so long. It's so long. Yes, I am loving this hairstyle, y'all. So this is how it turned out. As you can see, it's really long, really pretty, and I think this will last for at least a week as long as I keep it tied up. It'll probably last, you know, maybe a little bit longer than that. Maybe I can rock it for 2 weeks if I refresh it at the end of the first week, however I want to do it, I guess. But you know, I've been rocking braids for a little while, so it was time that I took a break from the braids and did something glamorous. But thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Also, please share this video and leave a comment if there are any hairstyles that you all have seen, maybe on Pinterest or anything like that that you'd like me to try out. I'm definitely willing to give it a shot. As I said, I'm taking a break from the braids, so I'm doing a lot of more hairstyles, especially ones that are, you know, starting off with like blow dried hair or air dried hair, because I'm using my Revere hair dryer a lot now. So again, like, subscribe, and share this video. Have a good day.